One of them. There were two. There are at least two or three that live here. The other one got scared and ran into the underbrush back there. But this is the one that's getting bolder. Obviously, I can't tell them apart. They look identical. I wish I could tell them apart. If you look to the right of it, behind it, it's a carrot I just threw over there. I dang near hit the poor thing with it. I wonder it didn't get scared away by that, but it didn't. I'd rather you eat the carrot than the seeds, buddy. The carrot's better for you. All right, the light is still so dim I can't get a decent shot. Darken it down, that helps. Turn around, buddy. I nearly hit you with that carrot, and I mean, I just missed it. Looked at him in the rump. Or her, I don't know.